Doing this shit on pink hair is not easy. You can't see it. You can't see not a single part. Wait, I think this is eyeshadow topper. That's probably why.
What's mine? Hey, what's mine? Cause I slay.
You can see the heart, but I think I need to make it a little bit deeper. Because it's like
you need to like
to
make
go
it
over a
more
little bit.
Point literally right there.
I need to fix this part a little bit.
Yeah.
Like this hairstyle needs to last me all weekend at this point.
Yeah, so
I ain't gotta redo it. That's why I was like, let me just use some glue. Doing this shit on pink hair is not easy. I think that's the problem.
Yeah, because you can't really see it.
You can't see not a single part. Woo. Okay. It's giving side part.
I think it does need to be bigger.
Yeah. But on this side, right? Yeah. Looks better. Thank God I'm not doing a crazy hairstyle. I mean, not hairstyle, makeup look. I said I'm like, this is a crazy ass hairstyle. What are we talking about? Trying to decide how much I'm pulling up. Oh wait, Drina.
Nothing.
They both still in my head.
She on there.
Oh, today is clearly not my day. Not at all.
Oh.
Last thing, you can't see no tracks to you in the back.
You know me, you can.
Okay. Cause I'm like, I ain't redoing this ponytail again. You know I ain't doing it again. Oh my god.
I wouldn't either.
Getting excited now.
Because your hair coming.
This, yeah. Yay! Okay. I'm gonna do some concealer. Stop! Don't laugh at me. I'm gonna do some, yay! Cause you know how long this took. You saw me struggling.
The little twist. Okay. I would do on top of each other because then that would help you hide the
okay.
Just so you can see like the styling. If you know what I mean.
I'm trying to feel for it.
Yes, ma'am. That's good.
I'm like, child.
That's a frosted.
I was so nervous. I'm like, I wasn't sure.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, yay! Is it cute in the back?
Yeah, that's cute.
Okay, I'm gonna do my face. Your face is so flawless. Look at her. Ah, not you trying to cover it. Look how butterly smooth your face looks. You ain't even breaking out. I don't know what you was talking about.
Yes, I am.
Where? Oh, that is a hormonal breakup.
Exactly.
My bad.
You're trying to tell me.
It's literally the perfect song for Valentine's. Not me closing the wrong eye. I almost stabbed myself in the eye. Because I'm falling in love. In love. This bottle dry as shit.
Don't make me laugh. Shit.
I'm sorry. Wait, I think this is eyeshadow topper. That's probably why.
That's even funnier.
Oh my god. I think that was the tip of the iceberg for tonight.